At the 5 feet, so y'all safe. Most of y'all safe. This is nice out here, man.
You go through 50 pounds of potatoes a day almost right now.
Beautiful, man. Down in Arizona, got the pool behind. I'm gonna dip in the pool later. I thought this was gonna be an in and out. This is a big burger, man. Look at this. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to make my last stop in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm gonna stop by a cat that's from Newark, New Jersey that said he can cook, right? Let's go check him out. Look, y'all, we about to roll up on Mo. He's straight from Newark, New Jersey, man. He gonna take us back. He said he cooking back here. He ain't said nothing but a word. We gonna walk up in here. They got a little music coming. Milk and cookies, some milk and cookies. Got them grandmas, got them hostess, y'all. That's them diet hostess, right? And all of this is sugar free. Psych.
Right. We got them Edamons.
Edamons.
And then back here.
What are Edamons?
Over here.
Oh, Edamons.
I said it wrong.
Got the Entenmann's
When I was
right
little, I
there.
couldn't eat
He
Hostess.
said Edamons.
Yeah,
Look at that. They still got pork, right?
Hostess no more.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And they got the wine out.
Oh, they got the liquor, y'all. Y'all know we ain't hanging over here. Oh,
I
man, they sell liquor in the store.
In the store. AI is unbelievable.
Look, y'all, that hot dog said Italian Jersey hot dog. All right, they got the pool out here. Ooh, as soon as you walk out, it feels a little cool, man. But in that sun, it's hot. We may have to take a dip in the pool, which is really on the wall. I got a color TV so I can see the Knicks play basketball. They got the 4 feet side, the 5 feet, so y'all safe. Most of y'all safe. This is nice out here, man.
Now this property got 4 of these pools.
How many? Oh, it's 4 pools here?
Yeah.
How many people live here?
It's 1,250 apartments.
1,000 people, man. So they got a little restaurant here they be cooking. Oh, they got the jacuzzi. I'm getting in that jacuzzi before it's all over. Look at Mo, y'all. Mo back here. Hey, how you doing? You want to be on camera, don't you? He told me. He said, look. He said, she don't play, man. Don't put it on camera. Look, y'all. Look who here, y'all. Mo is in here in the house, straight from Newark, New Jersey. We just wanted to stop by and check him out. He putting his gloves on, y'all. Look, he got black gloves. Who he representing? All right, I'm done. What happened?
My big boy burgers, they never get frozen.
They never get frozen. This is fresh.
They're fresh. I make them every day. I mix them on up.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh, he got fries up there. Looks like you cut these yourself?
Yeah.
You cut your own potatoes? Oh, look, y'all, he got his own. He cut his own potatoes. He got one of them Jones. Yeah, that's it.
We go through 50 pounds of potatoes a day almost right now.
They go through 50 pounds a day, y'all. Hold on, where these potatoes from? Look, they from Pennsylvania. Home office. That's a home office.
What's up, y'all? I'm here with Matt DV. You thought you was the only one with a camera? You live on camera here?
Oh, he got the camera on. Look.
Let's go.
Yo, this cat ain't joking, yo. He got a camera. He got the camera on us already, right? I gotta step to the side. I don't like being filmed. Psych! What up, family? Straight from Newark. We here, man. He even got a little light on it, too. Look at him. He coming. Look like the camera. Okay, I see what he doing here, yo. We up here. Mo ain't joking around.
Yeah. You good?
He got the burgers on there, y'all. Oh, he done switched us. He ain't discriminating, man. He got black and blue gloves. He ain't discriminating, man. He got black and the blue gloves. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. That's what's gonna happen right here, man. Look at him. He walking with pep in his step too. Oh, and he gonna melt the cheese on the burger. Oh, we in the right place now. That's mine right there. Oh, that's mine right there. Y'all got the cheese on it, steaming it up. Got the bell peppers, the onions. What kind of bun is that? Is that a sesame seed?
That's sesame seed bun.
That's a sesame seed bun. They trying to get like McDonald's, y'all. But those ain't like McDonald's though. McDonald's, see how I got those little buns, those little curds and stuff in there? We are in Phoenix, Arizona, man. And this cat, man, like he's a subscriber, right? He hit us up a while ago. And then we was doing some networking. He's actually from Newark, New Jersey. And this is his wife coming right now. Her name is Mara. She's also from the East Coast. They are cooking here at this restaurant, man. Oh, look, she said this is the salad. This is her homemade salad that she bought out. We definitely gonna try that. Thank you very much, Mara. And that's Mara and her husband Mo are out here doing their thing, man. Well, look, I ain't tasted food yet. We're gonna see if they really doing their thing. But y'all saw that burger, man. That burger right there, he hooked it up, man. I'm gonna put some ketchup on it. I'm thinking about my hands right now. Oh, it's got a pickle in there. Hold on, let me shake that. I'm just getting a little bit of that white juice, you know. Okay, put a little ketchup on it. Let me let y'all see this burger right here, right? Check out this burger. Check out the burger, check out the burger, check out the burger. That's what it's looking like right there. And that burger, the cheese is melted, man. It's hard to pull it up, you know? So we gonna go in. That's a nice sized burger too. I love mayo, so I gotta put some mayo on it, man. That look like that Hellman's. That look like the Hellman's mayo. Let me see. Tastes like the Hellman's mayo too. I wonder if that's Hellman's. What's the other mayo? I like mayo, y'all. I'm a mayo head. Let's check it out. There's no salt or pepper. We're not putting none of that on it. I always would like a little hot sauce. Come on, let's check this out. Let's check it out. Oh. That joke a big, man. This is like one of those backyard barbecue burgers. That's one of those good homemade backyard barbecue burgers. Now this patty, hold on, let me just taste the patty. Oh yeah. There's spices in that meat. That meat just don't taste bland. That spice is inside that meat. Now I watched him. I don't remember seeing him put anything on the meat. But there's meat right here. Just the plain meat by itself is delicious. Now I want to know what he put in there. This is beautiful, man. Down in Arizona, got the pool behind. I'm gonna dip in the pool later. I thought this was gonna be an in and out. I might be stuck. This is a big burger, man. Look at this. That's a big burger. That bell pepper trying to fall off of there. I'm gonna let it fall for now. All right. He's doing his thing down here, y'all. He's doing his thing. That's them French fries right there. Check it out. Check out the fries, check out the fries, check out the fries. I like they're the right size too. A little crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. They're long too. I like fries that's fried with the skin on them like that. How about y'all? Do y'all like fries that's fried with the skin on them? All right, let's move right over here. I know some of y'all like, what? He's eating salad? Oh, wow. This gives it no justice with the plastic on it. Look at this salad, man. Look at that salad. This is what Mara made, Mo's wife. And I got the ranch dressing. It was a hard choice between the vinaigrette, the balsamic vinaigrette, and the ranch. I went with the ranch. First, I want to taste one of these croutons. I want to see if this is the crouton I think it is. It looks like the type that's kind of like soaked in oil. That's croutons with flavor. Flavor croutons. All right, let's dig into some of this salad. For all those that be like, yo, you keep eating them hamburgers, you're gonna have a heart attack. We're gonna eat a little salad. Very fresh. The carrots got that crunch on it. Let's eat one of these cherry tomatoes.
You got carrots in here, the croutons. You got some arugula in here. Tomatoes fresh. Salad's good. I want one with the little crouton though now. All right, I'm gonna tackle some more of this salad. These croutons are the bomb. This is going with me. This is gonna be a road break. When I get on the highway, this is gonna be dinner. This will be a nice dinner. I'm talking about just the salad alone. 2 thumbs up on the salad, 2 thumbs up on the burger. Let's see what he got here. Uh-oh. He got the Jamaican beef patty. All right, that's enough, man. Somebody told me one time, this Jamaican person told me, said, I don't like when you try to speak in our dialect with our accent. Let's check out this Jamaican beef patty. Okay, let's try to break it open. Let's see what's going on. A little spicy. That's good. That's a good beef patty. I'm tasting some hot spices. Y'all don't judge me though, right? But what it needs from me is a little mayo. I just want to put mayo on this. I don't know why. He got Jamaican beef patties here. I wonder if they sell these anywhere else in Arizona. I'm gonna set that aside. All you need is the burger. Look how big that burger is, man. That bell pepper, if you was watching closely, I dropped it earlier. You thought this was gonna go to waste. I still got a little piece of pickle over here too. I love pickles on my hamburger. This is your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you are hanging with the right cat now. I love y'all, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for becoming a patron at patreon.com/MattDVWilliams. Thanks for supporting via Cash App, which is $Matt DV Williams. Thanks for becoming a member by hitting that join button here on YouTube. Thank you just for your support, man. We appreciate you guys. For those who just watch the videos, I am so appreciative. And I'll see you guys at the next one on our travel back to the East Coast. We went from the East Coast to the West. Now we're in the southern states, coming back east. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. So we just left Phoenix, Arizona, man. You know, and you ride through town a little bit. It takes you about 20 minutes to get through town. And then it's nothing but desert. Hot desert. You know, I mean, it's feeling hot, but I'm showing 74 degrees on the outside temperature. Speed limit 75 miles per hour. Tucson, Arizona. Making our way to New Mexico.